So we got some big news, huge news. Even though Danny has a glow, she ain't pregnant. And we're not getting married because you only get married if the girl's pregnant. So the news we got, we're gonna start memberships on the channel. We don't really know how it's gonna work out, and honestly, we're gonna need a lot of your guys' advice how we're gonna make this work out. Part of the deal is YouTube, when you put it out, you have to make a video introducing the membership to the people, to you people. You people.
What do you mean, you people?
So, anyways, we're doing a quick little video. I don't even know what we're gonna do with it because I think we're already done. But I feel like putting up an 87-second video is gonna be ridiculous. So there's a few different tiers. We're gonna plan that out. We're not expecting anything out of anybody. The channel's not gonna change. It's still gonna be us being idiots. We're still gonna carry out.
No. We are not idiots. You're.
Anyways, so we want to keep doing what we're doing. There's going to be stuff, maybe it's merch, discounts, maybe it's members only live streams, maybe it's members only videos, maybe it's early videos. We really don't know. And I mean, a lot of you guys, you're probably more diverse or knowing in the membership stuff, because maybe some of you guys are members of other channels. So we'd love advice on this and all that stuff too. So leave a comment, send us an email, or hit us up on Facebook, whatever it may be, so we kind of know what's going on exactly. And then we can decide from there how we're going to carry on and what we're going to do and what is going to work out for us. This guy's really going to pour in on our area, eh? And sorry about that. Some weirdo pulled in the parking lot, was eyeballing us. So anyways, memberships. We want you in. We want you. So we don't really know what the hell we're going to do there. I mean, we're trying to grow the channel, and you guys have been there since day one from a lot of you. We get a lot of advice. You guys help us out on the live chats and all that sort of stuff. You guys have a lot of grandiose ideas, and we'd love to do some. All this stuff, I mean, there's no bones about it. I got a full-time job. Danny has we'll call it a full-time job.
I work like 3 jobs.
Danny has a full-time job, and we sink all the money, all of our profit stuff. We don't travel, we don't vacation. We got dogs, we go for dinner, we like hot rods. And every dime I make goes into it, and hopefully we make enough money when we flip the car that we can kind of carry on with the next one. And it costs money, there's no bones about it. I love doing it, I'm never going to stop. Whether the YouTube channel was here or not, I'm fixing up old hot rods till the day I can't. And you guys had some cool ideas, and there's a lot of stuff, when I buy a car or project, it has to make sense for me to make money at, in the end. You guys, the ideas you guys have are awesome. Unfortunately, they're losing money ideas. And if it was your own money, you probably wouldn't do it, and some other idiot, they can do it, well, that's great. And I want to do those things. We'd like to do...
you want to be that idiot.
I want to be that idiot. But I'm already terrible with my money as it is. I can't be that much more terrible. Mur would judge me like crazy. Oh, more Mur for members, right?
Oh, that's a shirt.
Mur for members?
Mur for members.
So we'll do that. But anyways, I'd like to do sleds, farm equipment, tractors. I don't care if it's a leaf blower.
Motorcycle. We will actually hot rod.
I'd love to build a motorcycle or any of those things. But again, that's all stuff that costs time, money, all those things, which we're broke in a lot of ways.
Did you guys know the bank actually gets mad when you skip the payments to buy a hot rod?
They just recommend you pay it back at a timely manner. And we're not always the best at that. There's no bones about it. But we're working on it. We're doing what we can and all those sort of things. So just to circle around there, nothing's going to change. We're going to keep doing what we're doing. Hopefully we can just make the channel even better and better. Danielle's probably got a few things to say.
I always have something to say.
Have at her. Here's Danny.
Hi. So I don't remember what I was going to say here. So basically, you guys have been with us from the very beginning. How am I supposed to talk to them like this? I can't talk to anyone like this.
I was really looking at the camera. I wasn't really paying attention.
Oh my God.
Donuts for members?
Donuts for members? Really, the long and short of it is that we want to keep doing this and make it bigger and better for you guys. We have become such a family, I feel like, at DD Speed Shop. We love you guys. We know you guys love us. We've hit some really high highs with you guys, and we've had some sad moments with you guys. And we want to be able to like be there for cool things. What is happening there?
I was in the wrong fucking lane, man.
I just thought we were about to die. Holy crap.
That was nuts.
Jeez. Anyways, this is not going well at all.
We're up. We're up.
So yeah, basically we want to be able to do things like coming and like going to car shows in your province or in your state, or somehow getting to Australia and wrenching on the beach with you, or just like doing that Canadian version of Power Tour that you guys have all asked for. But all that stuff takes a lot of time, it takes a lot of money, it takes effort. So anything that you can help us with, if it's being a member or keep supporting us through the super chats or whatever, that has been amazing. But yeah, just like whatever you want to see, tell us and we'll figure it out. We'll make it cool. We don't want something for nothing here, so I don't know.
That's your way of making a living.
That is my way of making a living, basically.
Something for nothing.
I don't even know what to say anymore.
Cut it.
Oh, that's a nice sunset.
Yeah, the sun is going down. I don't know if Danny's been drinking or like getting on that front end collision almost threw her off. But one more thing we want to talk about. The way to join the membership is very simple. On this video, beside the subscribe button, if you're not already subscribed, you friggin' better be by this point. You hit the join tab. Also on the home page, there's also another way you can join. And then I think there will be different tiers. You know, $1, $2, $3, $75, whatever it may be. And you can join in. And then I believe it opens up a bunch more options in the community page and stuff like that. So pretty simple. We really appreciate it. Again, I don't know how many times we said that in this video. We're really rambling on this sucker. It's kind of crazy to make a membership video. So if this sucks, let us know in the comments. But I think that's where we're going to leave it. So again, nothing's changing. The content's going to stay free. If you can't join, don't feel like you're forced into it or twisting your arm. By all means, if everything just keeps going the way it goes, and that's we got further ahead than I ever thought we would anyways, and I'm loving every minute of it. So we just want to keep doing our thing. We really appreciate every one of you guys, and we'll talk to you on the Saturday live streams.